Welcome. Welcome to Shiva. Welcome to energy of Shiva. Who is Shiva? That answer belongs to you and only you. And who is Shakti? The answer belongs to you and only you. Through awakening of yourself, through awakening of yourself, you will find the answers. The answers are hidden within you. If you seek answers, seek inside you. There you find your answers. There you find your truth. Because the truth is only hidden within you. And through you, through all alignment of yourself, you find answers. Seek through your own alignment, through your inner self. There is all. All is within you. Seek inside you. And that is all. All what you can get. All the answers. All the knowledge. Everything. You can reach. And you can have it all. Whatever it is for you. Whatever you want. Just pull and bring it to yourself. Align yourself in the frequency of that what you are looking for. Find the balance within you and find all the answers. Then the world belongs to you. What is hidden is just the moment. The moment belongs to you. Just take it. And it's yours. Through my own awakening, I found the answers. Answers within me. Only for me and nobody else. You find your answers. You find your own truth. Awaken your true self. Awaken Shiva within you. Awaken Shakti within you. And balance them both. Do not seek outside the answers. There are no answers outside of this world, from this world. There are no answers. The answers are always in one place. Remember, remember, remember. They are lying within you. They are not lying out there, anywhere in the world. Align yourself and find the answers. Do not be afraid to look what's lying inside you, opening yourself and look inside who you are. Taking the mask off of the nonsense, of the bullshit of this world. And then nothing can control you, because you are aligned with your true self. You know who you are. You know what you are. And nothing can shake you. Seek true awakening. I letting go everything what was holding me back. Everything what was to believe. We believe there is a protection. Yes. There are things what can help us during the times when we need it. Yes. There are things that can protect us during the times when we need it. There are symbolisms from the past that our ancestors left us, so we can use them wisely. We can use them for our protection. We can use them for our balance, balancing our energies, balancing our chakras. But they are only temporary. They should not be here to stay your life with you. It's like your parents. When you are born, first they need to take care of you until you start to take care of yourself. Until that moment, you have to fly. You have to fly and be yourself, not depending on them. It's the same with everything else. Our ancestors left us different type of symbolisms to support, to help us to grow, protect, love. When you find out the true self, the true answers, then you know you don't need them anymore, because you are the highest. You are divine. You are divine. Because the answers is within you. Everything is within you. I have my symbolisms, my protections, what I need during my life for the time, because I need it, like everybody else. Because when you are afraid when you are scared inside, your inner child is afraid, they feel not protected, then you need protection from outside sources. But when you became your higher self, when you became your true self, you don't need any more of those symbolisms, protections, because you are aligned. You are pure energy. You are the pure protection. You are the pure God. You are the truth. You are the all. That's the truth. When you're seeking enlightenment, seek inside you. And everything else, what is out there, is just to help you on your road. So don't be afraid, but seek true enlightenment. Those things, stones, symbols, rocks, they are only temporary, like your parents, when you need them, only temporary. When you outgrow, you have to go on your own. You have to walk your own path. Then you can help others. Then you can become a parent. Spiritually, mentally, physically. Any way, any shape, any form. It doesn't matter. Then you lead the world. Then you show the world the light. The true light. The true awakening. The truth itself. Where is the truth? Destroying all the lies. Destroying everything. But lying in the path of the truth. Or blocking the truth. Doesn't want you to see the illusion. Illusion is on your face. The masks of this world. It needs to be all destroyed and reborn from the ashes again, like a phoenix rising from the ashes. You need to see inside. You need to find those answers within you. And I am here to help you. I am just speaking my truth, because I am the Shiva energy. And I'm thankful for this moment of awakening, for this light, for this power, for this love. Not to be afraid, not to be scared, but to have just the pure energy within you, true love within you, true power within you. Everything is within you and nowhere else. Thank you all. Thank you to being here. You can do it too. I believe in you. You can really awaken yourself from the lies. We are here to help each other. We are here to rise together. All the Shivas, all the Shaktis. You just have to find them. Where they are. Where is the true Shiva? Where is the true Shakti? Where are those energies? Awaken them through Kundalini, through the power within you, and rise. I love you all. This is the message for all of you.